Hey, mainframe, who's the fox?
Hello Joe fans, Indian Toy Gyani is back with one more G.I. Joe to review. His name is Mainframe, G.I. Joe's computer specialist. Probably the only Fun School Joe who is almost similar to original Hasbro version in terms of accessories, colors and name. The first ever Mainframe was released in year 1986. The same year, version 2 was released and it was Toys R Us exclusive known as Mission to Brazil version, which was in red and light brown in colors. In year 2008, with a modern articulation, version 3 was released by name Data Frame. After 3 years in 2011, one more version came with a light brown uniform by the name Sergeant Mainframe. Mainframe appeared first time in Marvel Comics G.I. Joe series issue number 58. Mainframe is the Joe who discovered that Cobra exists as an organization in the first place. Mainframe first appeared in Sunbow 5-part mini animated series known as Arise Serpent or Arise Part 1 in year 1986, where he was a teammate of Beachhead. Let's take a look at the figure. He is a very tough looking marine. On his left arm, we can see a large combat infantryman's badge in red color. After doing a little bit of research, I have found that it's a 3rd Marine Division patch. Also, there is a Marine symbol on his non-removable helmet in silver color here and on his belt buckle. He is wearing a light grey color technician jumpsuit. He is carrying a pistol which is holstered here to his chest. The straps goes all the way to back. He has those two rank shoulder bolts in silver color. This strap is going all the way to his back. It might be some sort of, I don't know, maybe wires or something. Controller or maybe some sort of devices. On his belt he is having couple of pockets for storage. Here on this side and here is the big one. When we come down at the bottom, he is carrying a dagger with a silver handle, and on this side it might be some sort of device controller or maybe a claymore. Please comment below if you know what it is. He is wearing a pair of black boots and wearing black gloves. Mainframe comes with BP75E field transmitter receiver backpack unit, and this backpack has a small peg here on this corner, but unfortunately it is broken, and from this end a small vinyl hose connects to the walkie-talkie. And also on top, this antenna is also broken. Well, these are the very common things to get break while playing. And finally, he comes with a combat ray computer system, which looks a bit like a briefcase in this orientation. Like it appears to be a small portable computer from 80s in this position. This tiny little screen. This appears to be a keyboard. All the controllers or buttons there. This portion looks to me like a floppy or CD storage slots. Very well detailed. We can easily distinguish what is what. This is how it looks from the backside. Well, this geeky computer specialist was well known in the animated series for his affair with Zarna, sister of Zartan.
Sergeant Carol Weidler, I'm assigned to aid in the installation of secret computer equipment.
Hang loose on the military rigmarole. You're working with me now. Let's go somewhere and talk, so I can fill you in on the big picture.
And he was indirectly responsible for the destruction of warship USS Flag. Well, I believe that does not form a good opinion among Joe fans. Well, that's all I have to share with you about mainframe G.I. Joe. Please check my Instagram page Indian Toy Gyani for more information about my channel. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next time to see more G.I. Joe reviews. See you then. Yo Joe!